Are you tired of mediocre coffee that lacks depth and flavor? Do you appreciate the timeless elegance of classic design? Look no further than the Chemex Pour-Over Glass Coffee Maker. In this review, we'll explore why the Chemex is more than just a coffee maker. It's an iconic piece of coffee culture that delivers pure elegance, ease of use, and unparalleled coffee taste. If you're interested in learning more about the Chemex Pour-Over Glass Coffee Maker, please click on the link in the description below. Simple elegance that stands the test of time. The Chemex Pour-Over Glass Coffee Maker is a testament to the marriage of simplicity and elegance. Its design, unchanged for over 80 years, has been admired worldwide and can even be found in prestigious museums like the Brooklyn Museum, Corning Museum of Glass, and Moma, NY. When you choose a Chemex, you're not just buying a coffee maker, you're investing in a piece of art that enhances your coffee ritual. Pure ease of brewing. Dr. Peter Schlumbohm, the inventor of Chemex, had a clear vision to create a coffee maker that anyone could use effortlessly while consistently producing exceptional coffee. With the Chemex, he succeeded brilliantly. Brewing the perfect cup of coffee has never been easier. Its straightforward design ensures that you can consistently enjoy great coffee without the need for complex gadgets or barista-level skills. The secret to pure taste. What truly sets the Chemex apart is its ability to brew the perfect cup of coffee every time. The patented Chemex filters, paired with the non-porous borosilicate glass coffee maker, create a synergy that enhances your coffee's flavor. This system provides the optimal flow rate for extraction and the crucial bloom while effectively removing undesirable elements like bad fats, bitterness, acidity, and sediments that other filters often leave behind. Light, medium, or dark roast, it's all about flavor. Are you a coffee connoisseur who appreciates a variety of roasts? The Chemex caters to your taste preferences, allowing you to enjoy the true essence of your coffee beans, whether they are lightly roasted for bright acidity, medium roasted for a balanced profile, or dark roasted for a rich, full-bodied experience. With the Chemex, your coffee's true flavors shine through, making every sip a revelation. In summary, the Chemex Pour-Over Glass Coffee Maker is more than just a coffee maker. It's a symbol of timeless elegance, ease of use, and pure taste. Its iconic design has earned its place in museums, while its ability to brew exceptional coffee has made it a favorite among coffee enthusiasts worldwide. Are you ready to elevate your coffee experience and enjoy the true taste of your beans? The Chemex is the answer. Experience the magic of this classic pour-over coffee maker that combines art, science, and flavor like no other. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.